What's up, YouTubes? Welcome to another video on hot trades. My name is Blaze. So in this video, I'll be looking at the chart for XPENG, ticker symbol XPEV. So I've been getting quite a few chart requests for this stock, just because it's an exciting stock, right? There's not a whole lot I can do when it comes to technical analysis, just because it's a recent IPO, and as you can see, like the chart has just gone straight up. So there's not a whole lot I can do in terms of lines. Yeah. So XPENG really had a really strong week. It closed up about 28%. So that's a really strong week. Again, like there's not a whole lot I can do when it comes to technical analysis. So this one is just going to be up to you to just gauge and see when the stock just becomes not bullish anymore. Just a sentiment gauge, right? So it's going to be up to you to tell when it's time to get out of this stock and run for the hills, right? So, but just looking at the chart, I noticed something. So, as you can see by this arrow, so every time we get two green candles, so we got a green candle here, another green candle here, and then the next day we opened up and pushed higher and then flushed from there. So we got a backtest there. Same thing here, right? So we got a green candle here, green candle here. Next day we opened up even higher. We opened up and pushed higher and then flushed from there. So if that's any sign of what's coming for the future, so we've had two green candles so far. So there's a green candle here, another green candle here. So if these other candles are any prediction of what the future holds, so we're going to open up high on Monday and then flush from there, right? So if that's a predictor for anything, just be careful trading that stock. But yeah, like it's a really good stock. It's a really strong stock and really good volume. So it's gonna be up to you to gauge and see when, so when the stock is time to go down. Just because like it can't just keep going higher forever. Like it's really extended. It's gonna have to like backtest at some point. And so that's what I'm watching for the next for the upcoming week. That's it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the content, please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. If you think I missed something or if you think there's something I can improve on, please let me know in the comment section. Thank you.